Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best floor cleaner mop is probably one of the most underrated cleaning tools in your arsenal, but trust me, it's a game changer. Today, we're diving deep into the world of floor cleaner mops, exploring their incredible ability to transform your floors from drab to fab in a matter of minutes. Get ready to discover how this simple tool can revolutionize your cleaning routine and leave your floors sparkling clean. Number 5. Rejuvenate Luxury Vinyl Floor Cleaner Refill. This cleaner is specifically designed for luxury vinyl floors. It gently cleans and revitalizes them, leaving them looking their best. It's a great way to keep your floors in top condition. The pH-balanced formula is perfect for luxury vinyl flooring. It's designed to clean gently without causing any damage. This product will help maintain the beauty of your floors. Enjoy the delightful aroma of fresh citrus with every use. This daily cleaner not only cleans but also leaves behind a pleasant scent. It makes your home feel fresh and inviting. Get great value with this 1-gallon refill. It's designed to refill your 32-ounce bottle of Rejuvenate Luxury Vinyl Floor Cleaner. This ensures you always have plenty on hand. The formula dries quickly, leaving a brilliant shine. It effectively deep cleans everyday dirt, grime, and oil. You'll love the streak-free results. This product is safe for use around pets and kids when used as directed. Follow the instructions on the label for the best and safest results. It's a worry-free way to clean your floors. What we like? This cleaner gently cleans luxury vinyl floors. It leaves behind a delightful citrus aroma, making your home smell fresh. If you are looking for a cleaner that leaves your floor sparkling clean with a pleasant scent, you should consider this one. What people say. This is a great product for our brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring. It cleans without leaving any streaks and leaves a soft shine. Works well. No sticky residue. Only need a bit. Goes a long way. I use a sprayer diluted. I vacuumed my kitchen, dining, hallway and large living room in preparation. I manually sprayed the cleaner on the floor and used my Cedar hardwood floor micro cloth sweeper to apply. Fast, easy and dried quickly. No sticky residue. To test effectiveness I waited 24 hours, without vacuuming again, and took my sweeper and went over the entire area again only using the microfiber cloth rinsed in cold water. I was pleasantly surprised on how well this product worked. Number 4. Rejuvenate Click and Clean Spray Mop All-in-One Kit. This all-in-one kit cleans and revitalizes your floors. It includes everything you need for a sparkling clean, making floor care easier than ever. The kit comes with a spray mop, multiple microfiber pads, and a bottle of floor cleaner. It also includes a soft scrub pad and bottle adapters, ensuring you have the right tools for the job. Use the grout brush with Rejuvenate Deep Grout Cleaner. Simply pour the cleaner on the grout, let it sit, and scrub to remove stains. This will make your grout look brand new. This mop works with any 32 ounces to 40 ounces Rejuvenate long neck bottle floor cleaners. This expands the number of floor surfaces it can clean, giving you more options. The directional mist nozzle evenly spreads cleaner. The mop's flexible swivel head allows it to glide easily and maneuver under tight spaces. The ergonomic grip reduces hand fatigue. What we like? This all-in-one kit includes everything you need to clean multiple floor surfaces. The directional mist nozzle evenly spreads cleaner, and the ergonomic grip reduces fatigue. If you have a variety of floor types and want an easy-to-use, comprehensive cleaning solution, you should consider this kit. What people say. Mop and clean the floors well and then apply this with the mop. It does the job and I love the washable applicator pad. I've been using it for a week now and can say it does not leave a sticky residue. The spray nozzle does not get clogged. Rinsed with warm water after each use. It does not break easily and it is not heavy compared to a bucket of water. Number 3. Rejuvenate Wood Floor Restorer and Polish. This product restores wood floors, giving them a beautiful satin finish. It's designed to bring back the original luster of your floors, making them look new again. Applying this product is simple with its one-coat application. It fills in scratches, adds shine, and protects your floors in one easy step. The formula revitalizes wood floors throughout your home. This provides long-lasting protection, keeping your floors looking their best for longer. For optimal results, use it with Rejuvenate Wood Floor Cleaner. This combination gently cleans and enhances the natural beauty of your hardwood floors. This product is safe for pets and kids when used as directed. For more details, you can visit the website for additional information about its safety. What we like. This product restores wood floors with a single, easy-to-apply coat. It fills in scratches and provides a long-lasting satin finish, revitalizing your floors. If you like a simple solution to restore and protect your wood floors, you should consider it. What people say. Brought back life, shine, and beauty to hardwood floors that were new in 1953. This product made my client's floor look almost new. Cleaned floors very well, getting all dirt out of the distressed areas. 2 coats with microfiber 2 hours apart and they literally look like new. Number 2. Rejuvenate Mop Kit Microfiber Cleaning Pad Refill. This is a refill pad for the Rejuvenate Mop Kit. It's designed to make your cleaning easier and more effective. This pad will help you achieve sparkling clean floors. The microfiber cleaning pad fits perfectly on the Rejuvenate Hardwood and Laminate Floor Care System mop. It's easy to attach and ready to use. This makes cleaning your floors a breeze. You can use this cleaning pad with all Rejuvenate floor care products. It's designed to work seamlessly with the Rejuvenate cleaning solutions. This ensures optimal cleaning performance. The pad is lined inside for quick and easy attachment to your Rejuvenate mop. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. This feature saves you time and effort. This microfiber cleaning pad is machine washable and reusable. You can simply toss it in the washing machine after use. This makes it a cost-effective and eco-friendly choice. What we like. This microfiber cleaning pad is designed for use with Rejuvenate floor care products. It's reusable and easily attaches to your mop. If you are looking for a replacement pad that is easy to use and maintain, you should consider this one. What people say. Used it on tile floors, cleans a lot better, because the pad is not made of smooth material, seems to get the floors cleaner. This entire system from the floor mop to the deep cleanser and polish is the best I have ever used. I have used Bona for years, but the mop would come apart. This has threads that screw the poles together, so that won't happen. Used on bamboo hardwood floors. Super product. Number 1. Rejuvenate Microfiber Mop with 3 pads. This is the Rejuvenate Microfiber Mop. It comes with everything you need to keep your floors clean. It's a simple and effective way to clean. The mop is extendable, so you can reach those hard-to-get places. It's designed for comfort and ease of use, making cleaning a breeze. It includes 3 reusable microfiber pads. Each pad is designed for a specific task, ensuring a thorough clean every time. The white pad is perfect for dusting. It attracts and traps dust, leaving your floor spotless. This pad helps maintain a clean environment. Use the blue pad for cleaning. It effectively removes dirt and grime. This pad is designed to make your cleaning tasks easier. The gray pad is for restoring your floors. It helps to bring back the shine. This pad will make your floors look brand new. These microfiber pads are reusable up to 400 times. This makes it a cost-effective and environmentally friendly choice. You can clean your home without constantly buying new pads. What we like. This mop includes an extendable handle and 3 reusable microfiber pads for different cleaning tasks. The pads are designed to be used multiple times. If you like a versatile and reusable cleaning system, you should consider this mop. What people say. The mop head swivels easily to get into tight spaces. The cleaner does a great job of cleaning the floors. The mop is lightweight and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.